Aloha and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making Zuppa Toscana soup. What we're going to need is chicken bouillon, fresh spinach, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 medium sweet onion diced, 1 pound of bacon sliced. I got about 2 cups of potatoes cut in about, you want it about this big. 1 pound of breakfast sausage and half and half. Let's get started. Okay, so I have my pot that is already hot. I'm going to add the 1 pound of bacon. We're going to fry this up till it's nice and crispy, drain it, and then we're going to move on to the sausage. We'll be back. Okay, so this is about how you want your bacon. You can make it crispier than this, but this is about how I like it. I'm going to go ahead and drain this, and we're going to get started on the sausage. Okay, so I have the breakfast sausage in the pot. I'm going to cook it for a few minutes, then we're going to go ahead and add the garlic and the onion. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and add the onion and the garlic. I'm going to let this cook until the sausage is completely cooked and no longer pink in the middle. Okay, so the sausage is completely cooked. We're going to add the bacon back into the pot. Give it a nice stir. Now I'm going to add 2 quarts of water, or 8 cups of water. Okay, so after your water is boiling, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of the chicken bouillon, or 2 of the bouillon cubes. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of the half and half. Okay, so once you added the half and half, I brought it back up to a boil. Now I'm going to add 4 cups of the fresh spinach. This soup is originally made with kale, but I prefer spinach. If you like kale, that'll work too. Or you don't have to add any of the green vegetables if you don't want to. So that's about 3 cups. Let's see. Add another bunch more. Okay. It's about 4 cups. We're going to go ahead and cook this for about 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to add the potatoes. I also want to make sure that I have to mention that please turn your stove down. I have it about a 4. I'll probably turn it down to a 3. Being that there is cream in the soup, it will overboil, and you don't want it to overflow. And also, when you put the cover on, after you added the cream, just leave a little bit of space open just so it can vent, and that'll also help it from overflowing. Okay, now we've had the spinach cooking for about 10 minutes. I'm going to add 2 cups of diced potatoes. This is just regular Idaho potatoes. You can use pretty much any potatoes that you prefer, but this is what I use. We're going to bring this back up to a boil, cover it, turn it off completely, and let it sit for 15 minutes. Okay, so my soup has been sitting covered for 15 minutes with the stove completely off, and my potatoes are done. So now I'm going to go ahead and add salt, pepper, and garlic powder just to taste. You don't have to add the pepper and garlic powder, but definitely add just a little bit of salt. Not too much, because the meat, they're both, pretty salty, the sausage and the bacon. We're going to give that a stir. Now I'm going to go ahead and serve it with some crackers on the side. You can also serve it with garlic bread. Alright folks, there you have it, Zuppa Toscana soup. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and always remember to cook with a little aloha.